Alright guys, so you are welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and from today we are going to take a look at how to do construction, how to do geometric construction, and under this we are going to take a look at several subtopics under this. So let's get right into it, and today we are going to take a look at how to bisect a given line. How to bisect a given line. And to bisect a given line means to divide that particular given line into two equal parts or halves. So if you have a particular line given and then you are told to bisect that particular line, it means that you are supposed to divide that line into two equal parts. So let's get right into this. Bisecting the line into two equal parts, we can also use two different words interchangeably to represent that: perpendicular, bisector, or mediator, and that is that. So to bisect a given line, you will need these to do that. You need your ruler, you need a long pencil, very long, you need a short pencil, you need a pair of compass. So let's begin. You take a pair of compass, and this is what you do. This is what you do. Fix the short pencil into the hole that is found here. So stick the pencil into it and tighten the screw. Some of the screws are round, others are having different shapes, but all that matters is stick your pencil into the hole that is attached to the pair of compass and tighten it. Now that we are done, we have our pencil stuck to the pair of compass. So we are done with one aspect of it. So to continue, draw a line. All right, to divide a particular line into two parts, you need to draw the line and label the line. So I take my ruler. I am not going to measure the length of the line that I've drawn, but I'm just going to draw any line of any length. So this is it. From the left hand side to the right, I draw the line, and this is what I have. All right, so after I've drawn the line, then I will label the line. So let's say I label here X, and then I label here the other end Y. So I have my line XY, and with the line XY, to bisect line XY, I'll take my pair of compass. To bisect line XY, we stand at one end of the line XY. So we stand at where we have Y, and then we make an arc up here like this. We go down here, we make another arc using the same radius. We stand at X, make another arc to intersect there, and then come down here, make another arc. Now we have an intersection here where the arcs intersect here and there, and then we use those intersections to draw a straight line to divide line XY into two equal parts. So we take our ruler, put it on where we have the intersections, and make sure that we have the points here and there, both on the intersections, and then we draw a straight line through the intersections that we have where the arcs intersected. So there's where we have them, and then the line that we drew through the intersections have divided this line XY into two equal halves. All right, it has divided this line into two parts, and those lines will be equal in length. So we can name here M, and name here N, where the arcs intersected. So this is very simple, and we have bisected a given line. We have bisected a given line. So this is how one can bisect a given line. You rule the line, label the lines. Over here we labeled it XY. Stand at one end of the line, open your compass to more than half the radius of the line that you have drawn. Okay, open your compass, let it extend to more than half of the line that you have drawn. Make an arc here. Go to the other end, make an arc, make another arc. So where they intersect, you rule a line through the intersected points, and then that will divide the line into two equal parts. So this brings us to the end of how to bisect a given line. And MN, all right, now the line that we have, MN, is what we call the perpendicular bisector or the mediator. So MN that has divided XY into two equal parts is called the perpendicular bisector or mediator. So take note of that. So this brings us to the end of how to bisect a given line. Thank you. Again, guys, let's move on and then take a look at how to construct a perpendicular at a given point on a straight line. How to construct a perpendicular at a given point on a straight line. So let's draw a particular line. With that, we draw a line. And let's draw the line over here. We have this particular line. Let's label the line CD. And with the line CD, let's mark a given point, okay? Say here. All right. And then as we stand here, we open our pair of compass to any radius and we make an arc over here, make an arc there, and we label this arc as R and this point to S, and where we made the point, we label it as X. So we stand at where we made the arcs, open our compass into any radius, make an arc up here, stand on this arc 2 that we made, make another arc here. So where they intersected, all right, let's label it Y. And then we draw a line through this point. So this is it. We have constructed a perpendicular at a given point. This is the point on a straight line. So if you had a point here, you still make the arc here, the arc there, and then you stand on those arcs to make a point up here, and then you rule the line. So we have constructed a perpendicular at a given point on a straight line, and this was the given point. So we created a point ourselves, and then we drew or constructed a perpendicular on the straight line. So we are done with this particular one.